Harry the Hermit Crab wanted to organise a surprise birthday party for his best friend, Goldie the goldfish. But Harry was very nervous about the idea of organising a birthday party. 1, he had never organised a party before, and 2, he wasn't good at making decisions. But Harry really wanted to organise a surprise birthday party for Goldie. She always made his birthday feel so special.
Oh, what to do, when and where and who? Who is coming and what cake? What if I make a big mistake? Oh, dearie me, I can't decide. I'd rather sit in my shell and hide.
And with one big blup, Harry retreated back into the darkness of his shell until, tap, 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 Harry heard 3 sharp knocks on his shell. He froze.
Who is it?
Harry asked nervously. A calm voice replied, "Take a guess and I'll tell. I have no fins or a shell. I change my colour as I please, just with one big body squeeze. I like to party and to plan. Come on, Harry, you know who I am." And with a blup blup, out came Harry with a big smile on his face. It was his mate Carl, the cuttlefish. Carl was cool, not just because he could change colours whenever he wanted, but because he was always calm and great at making decisions. This made Harry feel very happy. He could ask for Carl's advice planning Goldie's party.